Hi guys, welcome back to another video. This is actually the second take of this video because I'm so silly. So I have it actually done the face here already, and you will see some notable bends. Sorry. So we will be doing an origami cat, like so. So you will need two 10cm by 10cm papers, and we will start with this. We will fold it like this, and this is also an inspirational video from a different video, so I'll leave it in the description and the channel too. And then you bend this and this like so. Then you bend these parts like this, and sorry if I'm going too fast, you may pause the video at any time to actually help yourself. Then you bend this part down here, and then you take these parts here, you bend them back, and then place them in here, and your head is now complete. Moving on to the body, it's only two folds. One fold right down the middle, and bend it to this, and a bend there, and you are done. And now you will bend this in here, bend this down, and done. If I was a little quick, I am sorry. And you may also like do the eyes and face and whatever with marker or anything. And yeah, hopefully you found this video useful, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.